Hi, my lovelies. Welcome back to Chikky's World. And today we are having a lock wash day. So I'm using these products from Jamaican Mango and Lime. I'm using their Tingle shampoo and their protein conditioner. I got this off Amazon, and what I do, I put some of those shampoo and water into this dropper bottle. And look at that, my nails are matching with the shampoo, and I begin to apply it to the root of my hair, directly on the root. This helps to loosen up the dirt and every build-up on my scalp. This is a really important step. See it as a pre-poo. So I make sure I get that everywhere and massage it right into my scalp. It's now time to jump into the shower. While in the shower, I let the water just rinse off that initial shampooing. And my lovelies, this is a good time to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. I see you all watching and liking. It's time to subscribe and join the community. And next step, I add even more shampoo in the shower. I really love this bottle that I use to apply it. It helps me to get directly to the root, but this time around I'm also adding some to the strands of the hair, because if you're a lock girly, you know you can also have build up on your locks. So I would gently massage it, just very gently, especially if your locks are still very young. Mine is under 2 years, so very gently I massage that to release every build up and get every dirt out. And this process is so satisfying. And I just let the water just wash out every shampoo. Now, this is really important. You get all the shampoo out of your hair, because if you have residue, that could also lead to build up before your next wash day. I try to wash my locks once every 2 weeks, and that is how I keep it healthy. That is how I make sure it is always clean and never having any buildup on my scalp or my locks. I just did a fresh retie just a week before this wash day, so my locks is looking very neat. I make sure I get all the water out. And tell me in the comment section if you have locks in, how long you've had your locks, and what is your wash day routine like. And then we'll quickly jump into the next step, which is conditioning. I condition while in the shower, and conditioning is for your hair strands, not your scalp. So I try to do it in sections. This conditioner is really good. I pick up the sections and I apply it directly, both the front and the back. This can be a really tricky process, but you need to raise your hands and wiggle your way around the shower to get every inch of your locks condition. This is really important. Conditioner helps to add protein and all the good benefits to your hair. You let it sit for a while and then you rinse it off. You don't want to leave the conditioner in. This one is not a leave-in conditioner, so I do not leave it in my hair. I wash it out and it leaves your hair feeling very silky smooth feeling you have after conditioning your hair, and is vital to make your locks thrive. I squeeze out any excess water from my hair, and then I dry it with a muslin cloth, and it's time to apply oil to my scalp. Today I'm using rosemary oil. Sometimes I use batana oil, and I apply it to my front hair and also to the scalp. This helps me avoid dry and flaky scalp, and also make sure my scalp is not itching. A well moisturized scalp is really important for your hair journey. So I use the pipette to apply it, and then for extra shine I apply it to the strands of the locks. This is really important. It just helps to give it that shine, and that is how I take care of my locks. That is my routine for my wash day, and look at that. It's healthy, it's neat, my scalp is moisturized. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section if you have locks and how old your locks are, and how you maintain them. I will see you in my next video. Like and subscribe. Bye.